In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com, a robust project management tool that can streamline your workflow and keep your team organized. Let's get started by going to Monday.com in your web browser. This platform is designed to be both intuitive and flexible, allowing it to support a wide range of needs from simple task tracking to complex project management. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see options to get started or sign up. Clicking on either will lead you to the sign up screen where you can create your account. You have the option to sign up using your email or, for added convenience, integrate your Google or Microsoft account directly. This setup only takes a few minutes and sets the stage for everything you'll do on Monday.com. After you've set up your account, it's time to dive in by creating your first board. In Monday.com terms, a board is akin to a dynamic spreadsheet or project tracker tailored to help you manage tasks and projects with ease. To set up your board, click on plus New Board. Here, you can choose from a variety of templates that best suit your project needs or start from scratch if you have a specific structure in mind. Customize your board by adding columns. Consider necessary columns such as task name, person assigned, status, due date, and priority, which provide clarity and keep everyone informed. Now that your board structure is ready, let's talk about adding tasks, also known as items. Simply click to add an item, filling in each relevant column to map out the steps for your task or project. This could be individual assignments, group responsibilities, or anything that needs tracking. The goal here is precision, so your team knows exactly what needs to be done and when. One of the great features of Monday.com is its customizable views, allowing you to switch how tasks are displayed depending on your preferences or needs. The table view offers a traditional spreadsheet style, while the Kanban view lets you visualize tasks like sticky notes for an agile approach. You can also use the calendar view to see tasks by date, or the timeline or Gantt view for tracking progress over time, perfect for keeping an eye on dependencies and overall project timelines. Collaboration is key in any project, and Monday.com excels here. You can invite team members to join your boards, assign tasks, and even have in-board conversations to keep communication centralized and efficient. This way, everyone is looped in on progress, updates, and any changes that might occur. Finally, enhance your project management with dashboards. These give you insights at a glance, pulling in key metrics from your boards and visualizing them through charts, graphs, and other widgets. This feature can help you make data-driven decisions quickly and effectively, keeping your projects on track and aligned with your goals. Start by exploring these features, and over time, you'll discover even more ways that Monday.com can transform your project management workflows. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!